Okay, this is a quick demonstration of my setup here. You can see that I've got the 3 Strymon pedals underneath. I disengaged the Ultraviolet and hooked up the JHS Unicorn, and the vibe is currently on. Nice deep pulse, no extra noise. I'm going to turn on the seeker fuzz. All right, just a little bit of noise, but all right. So now I'm gonna put my amp on standby and do a quick change. To the Ultraviolet. Okay, so now that's on, I've got a slow-ish speed, intensity all the way up like I like it, and I've just got volume in the middle. I've got it so it's biased to accentuate the low pulse, and it's over on the chorus setting like I like all of my Univibes. So I'm going to switch the amp back on. I'm going to activate the vibe. That's a nice pulse that I like from it. Now I'm going to activate the same fuzz pedal, the seeker. This is what I'm getting. Okay, so you obviously heard it with the JHS. All of these other pedals work fine. Here's just a regular overdrive with the vibe. Sounds fine, but it doesn't work well with the fuzz. And they're all hooked up to a Voodoo Lab power supply. I wire my stuff up really well. So that's what's going on with that. Hopefully you could figure something out, because I want to keep this pedal. Thank you.